Hey y'all, welcome to Channel Fresco. Today we'll be making some Melk Tart. So I'm going to use 1 liter of full cream milk that I'm now adding to my pot. To the milk, you're going to have to add a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Alright, for this step, you can use store-bought Tart base, or you can use the tennis biscuits as I have used. So you're just gonna have to crush your tennis biscuits in any way that suits you, and I'm adding a tablespoon of melted butter just to get everything to combine. So I've prepared my base and put it in my pan off camera and put that to set in the fridge. So now I'm finishing up my tart. I'm going to be using 3 whole eggs. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of maizena, which is corn flour, and 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, a cup of sugar, a pinch of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. I'm going to mix all of that together. I'm sorry, I have to make a correction. It is not a cup of sugar, it's a 1/4 cup of sugar. So I've taken a cup of the boiling milk and I'm adding it bit by bit to my egg mixture while whisking it to make sure that it doesn't get scrambled. And now I've taken the egg and milk mixture and I've added it to the remaining milk that is boiling on the stove. I'm going to mix it until I get a creamy consistency. I'm pouring my creamy mixture into my tart base and I'm going to let that set until it is room temperature. Then I'm taking it back into the refrigerator so that it can set. I've topped it up with some cinnamon and your tart is ready. Enjoy!